The ethos of the Society for Endocrinology is encapsulated in the phrase engage, support and advance, helping scientists to discover more about the function of the endocrine system, helping clinicians to better care for their patients, and helping the public to better understand endocrinology. We're a membership-based organisation that supports clinicians, scientists, nurses, and indeed colleagues in industry. If you're a basic scientist, for example, we can provide you with early career grants. We can provide you with support for equipment in your startup lab. We can support you to attend meetings. There's fantastic travel grants. If you're a clinician, we have wonderful clinical update meetings with vibrant lectures, and we can provide you with up-to-date information to provide to your patients. We also have great relationships with the pharmaceutical industry, and particularly important to us is with patient support groups.
I think what delegates get out of attending the meetings is the chance to network amongst their colleagues across the UK. We have over 200 speakers and the opportunity to find out exactly what's going on in the world of endocrinology at this moment.
I find the meetings extremely helpful. You get to talk with and hear about the latest scientific and clinical updates, informal discussion of cases, discussion with experts, hearing about more unusual cases that people are managing elsewhere.
You get to meet people from diabetes backgrounds, from thyroid backgrounds, and lets you see the bigger picture of endocrinology.
It's a great chance also to meet representatives from the patient support groups and reach a wider audience in terms of advertising the studies that you're doing and potentially meeting people who can help you to recruit patients.
If you're involved in any aspect of endocrinology, either scientific or practical and clinical, you really should be a member of the Society for Endocrinology. It's a terrific community. You're part of a greater grouping of people, all trying to advance the science of endocrinology.
I've been a member of the SFE for over 30 years, and it's done me really proud in terms of collaboration, forming networks, and then in my later career of doing public engagements.
Being a clinical nurse specialist, we do take on board a lot of patients, and we do run our own nurse-led clinic service, so we need to be really up to date. You know that you can always ask questions, email them. The support is there.
The Society has a number of important official journals, and members have the advantage of access to those online and in hard copy. The future health of our society is absolutely dependent on young people and supporting young people. So therefore the Society takes very seriously its responsibility to try and encourage young endocrinologists. So right from the time of undergraduate studies, we offer support for work in labs, we offer undergraduate prizes, and through the early career we have a number of activities that we engage in to really encourage these young people to choose endocrinology and to stay in it as a discipline.
The Society of Endocrinology has really helped me because it's meant I've been able to travel to lots of different conferences with help from travel funding. So I've got to go to Chicago and Dublin, and that's just such a good platform because you get to meet with researchers from all over the world. I get to present my data all over the world, and that's just such a fabulous thing to do.
And there's support for both things such as how you write fellowships, how you do public engagement, how you do media training, through to actual physical funding for small projects to become independent.
The Society has a wonderful early career steering group. The main things that we're involved in is generating wonderful symposia. We try to cover quite a broad range of topics. For example, in 2015 it was all about getting involved and getting engaged and getting your science out there.
There's a large number of committees, and I'm a member of the Public Engagement Committee. It takes endocrinology into schools, into fairs, into science fairs, and allows you to interact with people who may not ever heard anything about endocrinology.
The Society gives us a regular reminder that the practice is changing constantly, and we need to adapt to that.
There's never been a more exciting time to be an endocrinologist. And if you are an endocrinologist, you simply have to be a member of the Society for Endocrinology.